Some people panic occasionally when they think perhaps about doing their own service on their own motorbike. They think they need a lot of tools. Well, actually you don't. All you really need, these are a basic simple kit. So you can actually just do basic repairs. Let's start actually with some of the important ones. A couple of spanners, one adjustable one like this, one of these, Phillips screwdriver, and one of these with all the different sockets. A funnel, which is always very good to use, or have that is. Some old rags, a chain cleaner so you can clean your chain, some motor oil if you're low on oil, chain lube, and WD-40. This is a very important one. The WD-40 you can use for practically everything, including cleaning surfaces if you drop oil somewhere. If you actually have a basic toolkit like this for your bike, there's so many things you can actually just do yourself instead of paying someone to do it. Just find out what tools you need for your bike, because every bike will be different. And that's it. These are tools here for a Classic 500. The next bunch I will show you will be for a BMW and a Ducati. But these are for a Royal Enfield Classic 500. Very basic, and it's amazing what you can actually do yourself.